Hello, morning, afternoon, evening, I'm not sure. What is life? Yeah, morning, afternoon, evening. So, we're out here, I'm up here at the garden. Hang on. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I'm out here at the garden. And we're gonna pick all of the gosh darn tomatoes that are ripe, or semi-ripe, I don't know, enough to do something with. We have all these moldy parts. Look, it's black and like, it's bleeding. Why are you bleeding, tomato? I'm gonna throw that one over there. Shh, don't tell. Anyway, so we have to pick all the tomatoes, or I have to pick all the tomatoes that are getting ripe. Gotta love tomatoes. We have a tomato. Go pick all the tomatoes. See if I can hold a armload of tomatoes. Hang on, wait a minute. Tomatoes. You can't do it. I mean, you can do the potatoes. Cook them, mash them, put them in a stew. But you don't really cook. You don't normally cook tomatoes unless they are in like soup. So is it just like cooked tomatoes? So is it just cook them? Is it just, there's no, whoops. It's just cook them, not mash them, just cook them. But you don't really cook tomatoes. Do you fry tomatoes? I don't fry tomatoes. I don't even think frying tomatoes is an option.
Well, Eric, I think you can deep fry anything. It's just whether or not it tastes good.
True, you can deep fry anything. I don't know if you can see. There's Zelle over there. She's doing stuff with bees. For the moment, so I have a whole bunch of tomatoes. Now to see if we can find any cucumbers. Here, cucumbers. Here, ow. Maybe I shouldn't do this barefoot next time. Let's see here. If I was a cucumber, where the heck would I be? I think we don't have any cucumbers. Is that an option? No, because if I say we don't have any cucumbers, then Mom's gonna come out here and be like, "Oh my gosh, there was 20 cucumbers you missed." Be like, "What? Where?" She'll be like, "Right there," and I'll be like, "Fine. You just be better at this than me." Stupid tomatoes pulling down my shirt. I don't want a low neck. Collarbone. Here, Giselle. Hold out your like shirt or something.
I have large pockets. You know what I can do?
This is our Giselle dropping tomatoes.
I only dropped 2.
How to smuggle drugs.
Get a bee suit.
Get a bee suit.
It's oversized.
Not real drugs, just tomatoes. All right. I actually think I don't know how to turn this camera. How do you turn this? I don't know. I'm not smart enough, I don't think. I'm gonna end it and then restart. There, now you can see. I don't see any gosh darn cucumbers. Like, at all. Those are not cucumbers. Oh, there's a big one. Haha. Haha. Look at the size of this thing. It's like way bigger than my hand. It's like, hang on, I can't, yeah. It's huge. Why are cucumbers so hard to find? I mean, look at this thing. How is this massive green object hard to find? That's my question. That is my question to you. Because, you know, I don't know. And in reality, cucumbers are ninjas. I mean, you've seen, there's a little one right there, but I just stepped on. Sorry, cucumber. Cucumbers are ninjas. I mean, like, you've seen Larry Boy, right? I assume. Some of you have Veggie Tales. You have seen, like, Veggie Tales and stuff. And Larry Boy, most definitely, is a cucumber. I mean, whether or not he's a pickle, or a cucumber, or what he is a something.
Did you find Larry the cucumber?
I did find Larry the cucumber. But yeah, so that's what I did. What did you do?
Eric, did you bring me all the cucumbers?
Yes, I promise. I brought all the cucumbers.
All the cucumbers?
I said, well, except for that little one I stepped on. I didn't bring him. But it was only this big. It was like 3 inches.
Let's go see if I can find some more cucumbers.
No.
Alright, let's go. Let's go and see what we can find out in the garden. Oh my goodness. Look at these wilty leaves. Gardening tip. If your leaves look like this, you should have watered them. Another gardening tip. If your garden looks like this, you probably should have weeded it. Learn from my mistakes. Let's see what we can find. Oh, it was a little baby cucumber. You'll be delicious later. Ha ha ha. Oh, another little baby cucumber. Another little baby cucumber over there. The butternut squash are growing into the cucumber and taking over the cucumber's position. Which is part of the reason. There's a lot of baby cucumbers, but actually the cucumbers kind of look like they're getting like, well, they're weedy, but that won't always, like, sometimes they'll still grow even with weeds. But the problem is with these cucumbers is that they look like they're getting kind of they're almost like too wet in a weird way.
Maybe.
Like, they look like they're kind of getting, it's not moldy. It's more like wilty. You're right, Eric. Oh my gosh, I should have believed you. I can't believe it, Eric. Well,
I have something to admit.
What'd you do?
While we are standing here and looking around, I may have found these 3 and picked them without you noticing.
Oh my god.
So,
Oh, you little turd.
you didn't find any I'd like to point out.
You're right.
I did.
Look at my butternut. I just love butternut squash. Those are going to be delicious
What
someday.
happens if I drop
You like all my zinnias? I love zinnias. I have a bunch of sunflowers coming too. And look at how tall this plant is growing. He's such a big boy.
All the miracle grow I had.
All right. Say goodbye, Mr. Zinnia. Goodbye.